Alright, this is a quick video on how to replace the tilt or ram drives on a Bravo 1 outdrive. They look like this. How many of you are tired of calling rip-off dumb mechanics on Craigslist that come out and don't do a thing, right? Me too, so I decided to take this on myself. I just did a little research and found that it wasn't that difficult to do. So, again, I was able to pull off, I guess you can call it a power trim or a ram for a Bravo 1. It wasn't difficult to do. That was on there like that. And I pulled off the nuts on each end. Once the fasteners, nuts were removed, there's only two, one on each end. I put a 2x4 in here and just wedged it off. Okay? Now once you take that off, you're going to notice some connections, hydraulic connections. For the hydraulic connection, I used a 3/8 wrench, which goes on that. There's 4 of those, 2 on each side. So the reason I replaced the drive is I was getting weird noises, almost like a buffalo screaming. And the last time I took my boat out, it was very difficult to trim down. So I did some research and I found these trim rams on Amazon, places like that, for about 160 bucks. So I saved money on hiring a mechanic, which charged $200 to $300. Wasn't hard to do, and you can tell when they're bad because this will not move in and out, and it will not turn. The good rams will turn and move. So that's that. Wasn't that difficult to do. Saved some money. Didn't have to deal with the idiot marine mechanics on Craigslist. Pretty sure that's it. I'm going to go ahead and order the part now. This should be in about 3 days. So I will post that install. So again, Bravo 1 outdrive trim rams replacement. Not hard to do.